Harshita Punyani and I make videos about productivity and self-love. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss something about time management, which is surely an issue for all of us. And I don't think that this topic needs any kind of introduction because no matter how many hours we get in a day, we are always going to find them less. But there surely are some tips and tricks that can help you in squeezing in just a bit of more work in the same time frame than you would usually do. But before we start, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because that is going to help me in being motivated to produce more of such videos. Let's just get started. So the first and the most obvious tip is planning. And trust me, planning doesn't have any substitute at all. If you want to implement something well, you need to make sure that you plan it well. Now, I would suggest you to make to-do lists because I personally end up being really productive on the days I write down all the things I want to do on that particular day, of course. And I would also suggest you to give yourself some strict deadlines. Like if you think that you need to do a particular work before 4 p.m, make sure that you do that. And also do not forget to reward yourself when you meet your deadlines. Now the next step is no multitasking. Now when I say that you do not have to do multitasking, then I mean that you should not make a combination of two important things. But you can of course make a combination of two things out of which one requires your concentration and one doesn't. Like listening to an audiobook while folding your clothes or listening to an audiobook while doing dishes. This can be good, right? If you want to make yourself productive and keep yourself from wasting any time, you need to make sure that you keep all of your distractions away. Be it your phone, be it your friends, be it anything in the world, you need to make sure that you stay away from your distractions while you're working. Moving on to the next tip, I would say that relaxing and taking regular breaks are very important to keep yourself productive. And also please learn to say no to the people who you think are disturbing you or putting their work on you which you do not want to do at all. Because perfection is definitely an illusion. I do not believe that there is something in the world called perfection. Because no matter how good you get at something, you will always find someone else doing better than you. See, we are all humans and we are bound to make mistakes. Until and unless we keep on learning from our mistakes and we keep on growing, I don't think that there is an issue in committing those mistakes. I'm sure a lot of you would already know about the urgent not urgent quadrant. What you need to do is you need to divide a piece of paper in 4 sections. First will be urgent and important things. The second will be of non-urgent and important things. And the third one will be of urgent and non-important things. And the fourth one will be of non-important and non-urgent things. Now the things that you think are very urgent and you have deadlines approaching, you will keep them in the first quadrant, which is urgent and important quadrant. The things that you know are not urgent but important, like suppose you have an assignment to submit but you still have a month or so to complete that assignment, you will keep that in the second quadrant and you will wait for the right time or when you get free to start doing the things that you have in this quadrant. Now the third quadrant, which is of not important and urgent things, what you're going to do is you're going to delegate these things to people who you think can do better than you. And the fourth quadrant, which is of not urgent and not important things, you can either totally skip that quadrant or if you want to do, you can keep the things you have in that quadrant for the last hours of the day that you would have. Coming to the next tip, which is managing yourself, I would say that this is probably the best thing that you can take away from this video today, because once you learn to manage yourself, your time will automatically be managed. You need to learn how to align your actions and your goals. Like whatever you do, every action that you take should take you a step closer to your goals. Plus you need to find inner motivation to keep you working towards your end goals, because outer motivation doesn't work at all. Like you can be motivated by watching some videos or even by watching my videos, but that will happen only for a few minutes or for a couple of hours, I guess, and not more than that, or maybe a day or two, but not more than that. Until and unless you find some ways of inner motivation, you're not going to reach to your goals. I hope that you like this video. If yes, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Oh, I'm so sorry. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And if there is anything that you want me to make a video on particularly, then please make sure that you let me know through the comments.